what's swinging, guys? It's Carl the Wing here. Today we're at Dad the Winger's house because I sent it to come over here because with my dad's house I know things will definitely get here, but we're going to be opening some teddies from Clawee. For those of you that don't know what Clawee is, it's an app where you can play real life claw machines and then win real prizes and get them shipped. Jeez, I hate it, the law where they have to open parcels that come from the place where they send them from, because it's so annoying and they put really strong tape on so I can't get them opened. We're gonna see what's there. And we're seeing it. I don't know if this is the right thing. I don't remember winning this, do I? Ah, it's a bun bun, that's why. I didn't remember. I got a mystery bun bun. I'd forgotten about that, so we got that there. Let's just hope we've got everything else. My 2 key rings. I forgot about these. I won these to put in stacker. Elmo and the kitten. Here it is, the Clawee wallet, I believe. Yeah, it's the Clawee wallets. The Clawee logo person. Let me see what else there is. Oh yeah, I remember that. Hello Kitty, I remember winning this. The prizes are much smaller than I expected. Oh, the Charmander. This is way small. Never expected it to be that small. I didn't. And yeah, the Clawee plush, I must have won with the keys, so I needed to pay to get them sent. And I didn't have enough money to. And then we've got, I'm trying to remember what it's called. And the bird off Looney Tunes. So you see right here, we've got hello. I'll put them all in line for you to see. I'm gonna get more stuff eventually from playing Clawee. I'll add the whole what's it called? Yeah, I'll put the video clips of me winning them in the video as well. And there we go, that's everything we've won from Clawee. Mum the Winger and Dad the Winger said Clawee is a scam, but looking at this, I don't think Clawee's a scam. Because I got them to ship to here to Dad the Winger's house, and they've arrived at Dad the Winger's house. I'm gonna play some more Clawee in the future, and we'll try win bigger prizes. So that's it for looking at these bits, and we'll move on to the claw machine wins on the app.